right, good morning. It is Wednesday, June 17th. Very similar to yesterday. I know I forgot to make a video yesterday, but I am in this pattern the past 3 or 4 trading days or so of my first trade losing and then my second trade getting most of that money back. So 2 days of pretty flat, kind of like $1 under, just very small movement. This one right here, I got stopped out. Could have been a really good trade, but I got stopped out. That's okay, because it went way down here. So what I did was I bought this it got over this resistance line. And so it did what I thought it was going to do, which was to go to that resistance line, but not before me getting stopped out. So it was about 595 to 548. So lost about 8% on that trade. And as you can see, it curled back around and it actually worked the second time. That would have been maybe like a 10, 15% win. Anyway, then I moved over to this one, which is now getting destroyed. And wasn't too bad of a trade here. So I was actually watching this on a live webinar, and a lot of people made some really good money right here. I mean, this thing is up 200, 300%. So now I woke up, I don't know, this is second morning in a row where my alarm has gone off and not made any noise. So I got to look at my phone. Something's wrong with the settings. This is a beautiful pattern right here. This is exactly what traders kind of live for. When you back up, you can see huge pre-market spike on some really good news. It's a drug company. So people probably bought right around here and made a really nice trade right there from like $5 to $9. I was late, but what I saw was that this came up on the squeeze scan because you see how it went up and then it didn't come all the way back down. It held around this golden line. That's VWAP, volume weighted average price. When that happens, that means that shorts are trapped. So people that shorted this here, wanting it to go all the way back down here, and then it didn't because people came back in and buy it. It's the second round of people coming in to buy. Here's the opening. Then here's everyone else who missed it, who's looking to come back in. Now, I did a really good trade here. I'm not going to go over both times I did it because the first time I tried it right about here and I got stopped out. But then I saw the volume come back. Excuse me. I saw the volume come back right here. So about it right here, right as it broke about $8 with the goal of about $9.50. But to protect myself, after I got up 10% or around 10%, I raised my stop up. So I guess that's about an 8 or 9% move right there. And both of these I took very small size. And so not much movement on my account. I am still very green for the month. But this week, so far after 3 days, I'm pretty much at a break even. I had a pretty good day on Monday, and now I've had 2 kind of break even days. Not break even. I'm a little green still for the week. Last week was kind of flat. But anyway, that's what's going on in the market today. The reason why it's a difficult day to trade is because the new Fed chair is doing a speech at 2 o'clock. And if you want to see what it's like when the market holds its breath, this is what it's like. So if you take off all this news, take all that off. Nope, take all that off. Okay, so this is SPY. This is the S&P 500. It opened basically flat, dropped, started climbing back, dropping again. That is not a good market mood. That is a market that doesn't know what the hell it wants to do yet. So that's it for the day. Say hi to Lily, Mom. Going to camp. There's Ruby's looking at her. and Ziggy's over there. Anyways, that's it. Looks like Friday it's closed for Juneteenth, so tomorrow is a Friday. Now, if the market likes whatever the Fed chair has to say today, then tomorrow morning the market might run. And if it does, it'll be an easy day to trade. And hopefully I can go green for the week before the 3-day weekend. That's it. Aloha.